Good afternoon, children. Welcome to your English grammar class. I am Vaishali madam. So let us begin with lesson number 3, asking questions. So open page number 5, asking questions. I am reading A. We often ask each other questions, right? You have habit of asking questions, right? It is your right to ask questions. Previous lesson we have learned how to make sentences, and now we are going to learn how to form a question. So just look into the book. Sometimes asking question is quite simple. Look at these two sentences. Renu is happy. Is Renu happy? Now Renu is happy is a sentence which states something, and is Renu happy is asking a question. Now look at the order of the words in the two sentences. Renu is happy, that is telling sentence, and here is shifted and Renu comes at the second position. Is Renu happy? It becomes a question mark, and it has a question mark at the end. Okay. Now coming to the next. Nilesh was absent. That is a statement. It is a sentence which says that Nilesh was absent. Now if we take was forward, was Nilesh absent? Now this is asking whether Nilesh was present or absent, and with a question mark, so this becomes a question. So this way we are going to learn how to make sentence changing the position of the words. Okay, the underlined word, you are going to change the position of this word and then ask a question. So now coming to the first sentence. It was a dark night. So here it was is underlined, so was we will take further. Was it a dark night? And put a question mark, and nothing has changed. Only this will go further and it will come at the second position. So is it clear? Coming to the second question. The stars were twinkling in the sky. What is underlined? Were. So we are going to use it at the first position. Were the stars twinkling in the sky? Now it is asking. The first sentence was informing us that the stars were twinkling in the sky. The second is asking the question, where the stars twinkling in the sky? And a question mark. So we are making questions. Mukul was looking at the stars with great interest. Mukul is like you. So was will come at the first position. Was Mukul looking at the stars with great interest? And question. Okay. Now fourth. Sudha is writing a letter to her friend Shalu. So now we are going to write is at the first step. Is Sudha, S is going to be capital because it is the name of a girl. Is Sudha writing a letter to her friend Shalu? Again S is going to be capital because it is a name of a girl. Understood? Is Sudha writing a letter to her friend Shalu? Then a question. She is very fond of her puppy Zack. So we are going to begin with is she, then the same sentence, very fond of her puppy Zack, and a question mark. What is fond? Fond of is to like something. Now the next, number 6. She will be sending Shalu a picture of Zack. So we will begin with will. Will she be sending Shalu a picture of Zach. And a question. Then coming to 7. Zach is a very cute and playful puppy. Now we have to ask, is Zach a very cute and playful puppy? And a question mark. So have you understood? Okay. So let us move now. Now coming to page number 6C. Questions also begin with the words like who, what, why, when, where, how and how many. Right? We usually use this kind of words to begin our questions, right? So let us see. Examples are given. What is your name and why are the shops closed? What is your name? Why are the shop closed are asking us. Now coming to D. Rearrange the words to make the questions. For example, school name of what the your is. So you have to unjumble it. It's jumbled to make it in a question form. So when it is unjumbled, it comes to what is the name of your school and a question mark. So now let us begin with the examples that are given. There are 5 examples given. Number 1. For do leave you when school. So you will have to try with permutation and combination. But then we know that we are going to begin with who, what, why, when, where, how and how much. So what is that? When. Then when we have got when, then what will come? When do you, whatever we are using, we can put a small tick. When do you for leave school? Leave. When do you leave for school? Now does it make sense? Yes, it is asking us when do you leave for the school. Okay. So now coming to the next. Your, who, the, of is principal school. So again we are going to begin with who. Who is the principal of your school? And a question mark because we are asking it. Then next, craft, who and you teaches art. So who is going to be first? Who teaches you art and craft? Art and craft. You know who teaches you art and craft? You know who is the principal of your school? If now coming to the 4th one. Your how is house, far school you're from. So you're going to start with how. How far is your house from your school? From your school. Once you make the question, again read it and just try that whether it is understandable, whether it has a meaning. Okay. Then the last one. Do, how, go you school to. How do you go to school? And a question mark. So is it clear now? Thank you.